House, apartment for rent, pinapaupahang bahay, open, vacant and ready for occupancy. House apartment for rent, townhouse, up and down, with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Nakatiles ang flooring, bagong pintura, may sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig, malapit sa highway, may malapit na school at market. Yes, store, yes, kids, and yes, parking. Yes, inside subdivision, good community, and flood-free location. Very accessible and very affordable. Maganda yung bahay at maganda rin ang location. Hello everyone! Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Follow and subscribe na rin kayo para lagi kayong updated sa tuwing meron akong bagong i-upload na house and apartment. Marami pa po tayong available. Marami pa po akong units na ipopost at i-share sa inyo. And yes ma'am, yes sir, para sa mga naghahanap ng house and apartment for rent, bagong malilipad ang pinapaupahang bahay, ito po yung open and vacant na house apartment for rent. Ang location sa Imus City, Cavite. 10,000 pesos monthly house apartment for rent with 2 bedrooms. Yes guys, house apartment for rent, 10,000 pesos monthly with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Located in Imus City, Cavite. And kung gusto nyong bisitahin, yes, para makita ng personal, pwede naman po anytime. Very spacious na bahay, ito po yon. May sariling gate. Ito pong video ay updated. Pwede mag-park ng sasakyan sa harapan ng bahay. Pwedeng magtindahan. May provision na para sa window type na aircon. 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms na house apartment for rent, 10,000 pesos monthly in Imus City, Cavite. And yes guys, maraming salamat ulit sa panonood dito sa ating YouTube channel. Marami pa po akong ipopost na iba pang mga house and apartment, kaya stay tuned. Follow and subscribe na rin kayo para lagi kayong updated. Para sa mga naghahanap ng house and apartment for rent, para sa inyo po itong details and information na i-share ko. Maraming salamat ulit. Ito po yung house apartment for rent sa Imus City, Cavite. 10,000 pesos monthly with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Open na po, vacant and ready for occupancy, and open anytime for viewing. Kung gusto nyo bisitahin para makita ng personal, pwede naman po anytime.